Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at BitTrading, and today of course we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through the trades that we are currently in and the targets we have for those trades. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure that you watch this video up until the end, because I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So on Friday, we did finally hit my target of $38,107. And if you watch this channel on a daily basis, you will know that I have been calling for $38,107 for over 2 weeks now. And you can actually see this in a video I made 2 weeks ago. This was a setup that I was looking for. I was saying that I was expecting a rise towards $38,107, tapping that level, and if we were to do that bearishly, then I would be expecting a pullback. So I had my plan. I was telling you what my plan was, and it's really nice to see my plan actually playing out, because we can see that we have had that rise towards the upside all the way up to $38,107, where now we are actually getting a pullback. And of course we are shorting this pullback. Why are we shorting it? Because we formed a failed auction of the high right here with bearish open interest and bearish CVD. So we're obviously going to talk about that today, and I obviously gave that to my visionary members on that visionary Discord, as I always do. But we've been calling these trades perfectly over the past 2 weeks, ever since we made this high right here. Okay, we saw a pullback, we had a rise towards the upside, and this rise towards the upside was very bearish. So I was telling my team on the visionary Discord, and I was actually telling you guys here as well. I was giving you the setup that I was looking for. And I said, you know, we're looking bearish here, so what am I going to do? I'm actually going to short this. And we did, and we made some really nice profits, almost 500% profit on that short right there. We then actually took a long from this low right here, which was a very profitable long, as you can see right here. And I was actually taking this long because I was so confident that we were going to see $38,107 being tapped. So I wanted to be in a long position to take advantage of this price action towards the upside. Now we did come all the way back down to our entry price right here, but as you can see, off of that level, which was a strong level of support at the GP and the 786, we saw another big rise towards the upside, taking us all the way up to our target of $38,107. And of course I gave all of these trades to my visionary members on that visionary Discord. If you want access to this visionary Discord where I give all of my trades away, then make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. click join BitTrading here, and you can gain access to that visionary Discord where I give all of my trades away. But we actually did take another trade, which was of course that short position. Now I've been calling for this short position for a very long time now, and I have actually been giving you the setups. Now we actually took a loss before we took the initial short position. Okay, we tried to short the first bearish reaction. So what did we actually see? We saw a rise towards $38,107, where we actually saw a sweep of liquidity with bearish open interest and bearish CVD whilst, you know, we were sweeping that liquidity. But unfortunately that trade did get stopped out. I shortly after told my team the short hit our stop loss, meaning we can target higher prices unless we form a failed auction with bearish open interest and bearish CVD, which would give us another opportunity to short. So yes, that short did get stopped out, but I was remaining patient and just waiting for price to do its thing. And I was telling my team, you know, I still have that plan. I still have that plan of shorting, but only if we see that failed auction. I want to see that failed auction before entering into another short, because if we don't form that failed auction, then what can we expect? Well, we can expect higher prices. So I was remaining very calm in that time and just waiting, okay? Just waiting for my plan to play out. If we form the failed auction, I'm going to short it. And that's exactly what we saw. Okay, I said re-entering the short as we have formed the failed auction with bearish open interest and bearish CVD. So you can see right there, we confirmed the failed auction right there. And then if we have a look at the open interest and the CVD, we can very clearly see that price is making really nice higher highs, but we're seeing longs taking profit, and we're also seeing shorts opening up as well, which is very, very bearish. So we can actually expect a pullback from there. So as you can see, we entered into that short, and as of right now, that short is in around 60% in a profit. Really nice trade for us as of right now. Now we haven't hit one of my TPs yet, so I have not taken a TP on this trade as of yet, but I was basically telling my team in this little paragraph here that, you know, I've been remaining patient, and I've been telling you how confident I am that $38,107 is going to be tapped. We had that plan, and it is really nice to see that plan playing out. And of course, I have taken action on the reaction we saw at $38,107. Of course, giving my team the setup right here. We did take a loss on that first entry, as you can see right here, but we remained patient. We had our plan in place. If we form the failed auction, we short. If we don't form the failed auction, we look for higher prices, and we continue to ride that long higher that we had. Because remember, we were still in a long from all the way down at $36,611. So we would still take advantage of that movement towards the upside, because remember, we were in that long. But okay, we formed the failed auction, we entered into the short, and as you can see, we are in some really, really nice profits as of right now. So where do I expect the price to go right now? Well, of course, I'm expecting lower prices from here. I would like to see lower prices for Bitcoin, and I would be targeting these lows from down here first. I would be targeting around $35,500. That's what I would like to see, and from there we can reevaluate. Is price looking bullish at that level? If it's looking bullish, we can look for higher prices, of course. If it's not looking bullish and we're coming into that level looking bearish, then we can actually target the range low that we have at 34,469. I've been telling you guys, this is still a level that I would still like to be tapped, okay? I would still like to see 34,469 being tapped, exactly like I wanted to see $38,107 being tapped up here. I would still like this level to be tapped. So if we come down, okay, into the $35,500 $500 level and we look bearish, then I'm looking for $34,469. And of course, we are going to be taking full advantage of that movement towards the downside if we do get that movement towards the downside, because remember, we are currently in that short position. So you can see, you know, I'm giving my team the plan. We're expecting a rise towards $38,107, and if we're going to do that looking bearish, then we can expect a pullback from there. Now, this is only very early on in the pullback, but I am still expecting a bigger pullback from here. We are looking very bearish. If we're looking at the open interest in the CVD, you can see price is making some really, really nice higher highs. Okay, we have bullish market structure, higher highs, higher lows, very bullish. But looking at the open interest, okay, as we are getting these higher highs, we're seeing that the longs are actually taking a lot of profit. So a lot of these longs are taking profits. And then we can also see on the CVD that at each of these highs, we're seeing a lot of shorts opening. And that's exactly what we've been doing here at BitTrading as well. We've actually been shorting these highs. We shorted this high right here. This was a possible short as well. We didn't actually take this short, but this was a valid short as well. And you can see that we saw a pullback from there. So we're seeing that a lot of shorts are opening up at these highs right here. And this is a very, very bearish sign, especially when longs are taking profits up there as well. So from there, we can expect a big pullback. So this is why I am expecting a big pullback, and I am short. So for me right now, I am just remaining short and chill and waiting for those lower price targets. Now, is there a possibility that this short could get stopped out? Yes, of course. Any trade that we take could get stopped out. Now, we do have a very good win rate here. We have around an 80% win rate, but it doesn't mean that this trade is certain to play out. Okay, of course, it could get stopped out. Now, right now, price for me is looking very bearish. So in the medium to long term, I would expect price to continue lower. But if we do see price coming up and hitting our stop loss, there is once again, you know, another opportunity to short. If we take this high out, we sweep the liquidity from that high and we still look bearish, then this is just another opportunity that we could be taking to short. Okay, any rise that we see towards the upside right now is just a shorting opportunity for me right now, just because we look so bearish at this moment in time. So I am expecting lower prices, but from here I would just expect to see lower prices. So we'll just have to remain short and chill, just remaining patient and waiting for this trade to play out. And of course, you know, I've been giving you this setup for around 2 weeks. So if you've taken this trade yourself, then congratulations, because we are in some really nice profits as of right now. Still, for me, haven't hit a TP1. I would like to see lower, but of course it is in a profit, so you know you can take profit here, move that stop loss to entry. But for me, I would like to see lower prices before I take a TP1. So that's pretty much all I've got for you today. It's really nice to see your plan actually playing out. You know, I've had this plan for over 2 weeks now. I've been telling you guys right here what my plan was. So yeah, if you want access to my trades, where I actually give the trades that I'm taking in the time to the people on the Visionary Discord, then make sure that you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord. But other than that, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed your weekend, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the video tomorrow. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.